In this video, I dove deep into several repair shops, dealerships, and online forums to bring you the 5 most common issues with the Volkswagen Passat from 2014 to 2023. Here's what I found. One of the most frequently reported problems by Passat owners is excessive oil consumption, especially in models with TSI engines. Many users on forums like VW Vortex and Reddit have mentioned needing to top off their oil every 600 to 900 miles, which shouldn't be normal for a modern engine. The likely cause is tied to a faulty piston and ring design in some 1.8 and 2.0 TSI engines, which allows oil to burn along with the fuel. Volkswagen issued a few technical bulletins acknowledging this issue and, in some cases, performed warranty repairs to replace pistons and rings. The most effective solution when oil consumption is severe is to replace these components, though it's also recommended to monitor oil levels regularly and use the correct oil viscosity. Another headache-inducing issue is failure of the engine control module, ECM. Some drivers have experienced power loss, warning lights on the dashboard, and even sudden engine shutdowns. On forums like Edmunds and Copilot Search, users have described how the car goes into limp mode for no clear reason. Technicians explain that some ECMs suffer from communication errors or overheating. Volkswagen launched service campaigns to reprogram the ECM software or, in more serious cases, replace the unit entirely. If you're facing this issue, the best step is to get a professional diagnostic scan and check for available software updates. Another commonly repeated issue involves the automatic transmission, particularly the DSG models. Symptoms range from jerky gear shifts to delayed throttle response or lurching when slowing down and speeding up again. Some owners describe it as driving a car that can't decide whether to go or stop. According to several mechanics, in many cases the issue lies with the transmission software or premature wear of the dual clutch system. Volkswagen has released software updates and performed clutch replacements under warranty in more extreme cases. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's best to have the transmission control module inspected to determine if reprogramming or part replacement is needed. Climate control issues are also fairly common, especially problems with airflow distribution or the air conditioner suddenly blowing warm air. Some users say the air only comes out of certain vents, or they lose the ability to control the temperature. According to experts on the Passat World Forum, this is often caused by faulty blend door actuators, small motors that direct airflow within the HVAC system. In some cases, refrigerant leaks have also been found near the condenser fittings. There haven't been widespread bulletins from Volkswagen about this, but shop repairs typically involve replacing the defective actuator or performing a full AC system inspection with leak detection. Lastly, there are the electronic sensor issues, such as faulty tire pressure sensors, blind spot detection errors, or infotainment systems that freeze or reboot on their own. Several forum users report their systems shutting down unexpectedly, screens going black, or receiving false safety alerts. These issues are often linked to software bugs or connection faults within control modules. Volkswagen has released multiple software updates for these systems, especially in models from 2020 onward. If these errors show up, the smartest move is to visit the dealership and check whether an update is needed or if the electrical system needs inspection.